Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we're diving into a story that has stunned coin collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine owning a 1-cent coin that could make you a millionaire overnight. Yes, you heard it right. A 1972 USA 1-cent coin rumored to be worth up to $25 million. Stick around to find out the truth behind this fascinating claim, how to identify rare coins, and tips to evaluate the coins in your collection. Don't miss this. It could change your life. Information and full details. Country, USA. United States of America. 1951. 1980. Currency, United States dollar. Coin type, circulation. Coins denomination, 1 cent. Year, 1972. Subject, Lincoln cent. Composition, copper zinc. Edge type, smooth shape, round alignment. Coin, 180 degrees. Weight, G, 3.11 diameter, mm. 19 thickness, mm. 1.3. The 1972 USA 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln cent, was minted in huge numbers. But what makes some of these coins so special? It's all about errors and variations during minting. In the 1970s, quality control at the U.S. Mint wasn't as advanced as it is today, leading to coins with unique and rare features, known as error coins. These are the golden tickets in the world of coin collecting. In 1972, several coins were minted with a double die obverse error, meaning parts of the coin's design appear to be doubled. These coins are incredibly rare and highly sought after by collectors. Could one of these be worth $25 million? Let's find out. Here's what you need to look for. The 1972 double die obverse coin shows noticeable doubling on the inscriptions Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date 1972. These errors occurred during the die-making process when the design was imprinted twice slightly out of alignment. There are also different varieties of this error, known as double die class 1, 2, and so on. The most valuable variety is the class 1 double die, which has the clearest doubling visible without magnification. Now, why is this so important? Error coins like these are like rare works of art. Coin collectors are willing to pay extraordinary sums for pieces that stand out in history. So, how much is a 1972 double die penny really worth? Well, here's where it gets exciting. Regular 1972 pennies are worth just face value, 1 cent. But if you find a genuine double die coin, it could sell for anywhere between $1,000 to $25,000 depending on its condition and certification. But what about the $25 million claim? This number might come from an exaggerated or hypothetical scenario where the coin's rarity reaches legendary status. While number 1972 penny has sold for $25 million yet, it's not impossible in the future if a perfect specimen or unique variation is discovered. You have a 1972 penny in your collection. Here's how you can check if it's valuable. Use a magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe to inspect the date and text for doubling. Coins in pristine condition are worth significantly more. Submit your coin to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. They'll authenticate and grade your coin, adding to its market value. Remember, a certified coin attracts more buyers and higher bids in auctions. Rare coins like the 1972 double die penny create a buzz in the numismatic world. They remind us that even everyday objects can hold hidden treasures. Whether you're a casual collector or a serious investor, these coins can be a gateway to incredible stories and financial opportunities. So, could your 1-cent coin be worth millions? The answer lies in your collection. Start inspecting your coins today. You never know what treasures you might uncover. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection for more fascinating stories and tips about rare and valuable coins. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Comment below if you've ever found a rare coin or if you want me to cover a specific topic in my next video. Happy collecting and see you next time.